In this video, I'm going to show you 8 different easy eyeliner looks. My name is Lakshmi and welcome to my channel. There are numerous number of eyeliner looks and I'm going to show you my favorite 8. They range from simple to dramatic looks. For this video, I'm primarily using Artistry's long wearing liquid liner. This eyeliner is amazing. I mean, it is smudge proof, it is waterproof, and it is long wearing, and it has this long cap which makes the eyeliner application really easy and simple. You can get this through the links I'll mention in the description. It'll take you to Artistry's website and you can get one for yourself. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The first look is everybody's favorite, the winged eyeliner look. This is how the eyeliner wand looks like. Start by drawing a line extending the outer corner like a parallel line. Draw a long one. The long line gives the wing effect, and that's what we are going for. After drawing the line, draw a triangle with the side extending towards the center. Keep checking in the mirror to see if you're doing it right or not. After drawing the outline, just fill it in. You can apply the liner with closed eye or open eye, whatever feels easy for you. After filling it in, just connect the starting point of the wing to our triangle. And there you go, winged eyeliner look. The second look is more simple. It'll make your eyes look more round. For this, choose a starting point from wherever your eyelashes start and apply a thin line going towards your outer corner. And then draw a small line extending the outer corner and connect it with the rest of the liner. With this, you're done. Third look is similar to the second, it's just a little thicker and has more drama. You'll start a line wherever your lashes start, going towards the outer corner, and then draw a line connecting it, just like we did in the second look. Using this as a guide, start at the same point and draw thick lines this time. Once you get the desired amount of thickness, extend the outer line and connect everything. Always go back in and rectify any minute mistakes. And then you're done with this look. I call this look cat eyes. It makes your eyes look longer with deep inner corners. For this look, start with a winged eyeliner like the first one and connect it with a line starting from the inner corner. Draw a really small line extending the inner corner and connect this with the other line. After that, connect the same line with the lower lash line and fill it. And fill in rest of the lash line. And then you're done with this look. The fifth look has extended outer corner and makes your eyes look more open. For this, start with a line perpendicular to the outer corner, a small line. And connect this to the center of the lid with a thin line. Connect the lower lash line too in the same way. And line the lower lash line only till the center. I'm tight lining it to give a more full look, and that's it. It's so simple. Sixth one is a thin wing. Again, start with an extended line, but this time the triangle will be smaller. The side won't end at the center. It is much smaller than the actual winged eyeliner we saw in the first look. Then connect the triangle with a really thin line, as close as possible to the lash line. And that's it. We are done with the thin wing. The seventh look is my favorite. For this, start with the thin winged one we just saw and line the entire eye, keeping it as close as possible to the lash line. And fill in the lower lash line. And that's it. You're done. I call this look fish eye. The eyes look like a fish. Again, start with thin winged eyeliner look. Then line your lower lashes only till halfway. And then you will be done with the eighth look too. Let me know in the comments your favorite eyeliner look. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link the details in the description. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.